filming? Go? Okay. What's up? It's your boy, Cringy Videos, coming back to you with another video. Standing on a subwoofer, you know it. Alright guys, so I have finally got a phone. Oh my gosh, am I right? Here it is. It's the iPhone XR, red. We'll get to that. I got a case. I know it's, a little tacky, a little snobby. It's not, I'm a hype beast on a budget. It's really cool Supreme case. That's my phone number. Alright, sorry I didn't make a video last weekend. I felt bad about it. It was just a really busy weekend for us. So hope this, it's a good video. Also, we didn't make the Walmart video this weekend because it's snowing tomorrow. So here's this instead. Pretty good video too. But the Walmart would be so much more entertaining. Alright, we have a shout out to my friend Austin. Thank you for subscribing. Alright guys, we have the budget paper white table. It's supposed to try to be unbox therapy. He's not here. Alright, let's look. Box ASMR. I just gained a lot of subscribers from that. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, we so care where it was designed. Oh, pretty. Alright, so product red. Hello! These are the only reasons why I buy Apple, for these stickers. Alright guys, end of the video. Got my stickers. Let's get out of here. Psych. So just Face ID, boring stuff. Charging, I already know all this. Okay, got my stickers. That's all I really care about. Alright, let's get to the actual phone. So this has been unboxed before and has a screen. Phone, we did not want you to turn on yet. Come on guys, let's just Alright guys, so we have the product right here. It has been opened before. Let's put a screen protector on it. Here she is, everybody. iPhone product. Alright, sorry guys, the phone died. I'm not used to unboxing. Jesus. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Very pretty. Thicko mode. Well, alright guys. Of course we so got our AirPods. Sadly, no, these are not AirPods, they're wired. Get out of here, boys. No, I'm gonna keep you in. I don't even like you. I'll just use better headphones. These sound like trash. Alright, everybody. So, charger, everything, usual. Alright, let's power this puppy on. Alright, everybody. We have the phone all booted up. Let's go into it. Well, I have it all set up already on me. Always allow. I have it already set up to my thing on my phone number. Alright, everybody, let's put this case on. Sorry, this might be a little bit of a boring video. Intense concentration. Oh! Alright, everybody, we got it all. Wait, I'm like, delete photo. Okay. Alright, everybody. Alright, bye, everybody. Hope you've semi-enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't that interesting, but alright, everybody. See you in the next video.
You're shaking it too much.